नहीं है।
Breaking news just coming in. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari clarifies after Congress targets centre over his remarks of handing out more licenses of vaccine manufacturing. Congress said, and I quote, vaccine demand-supply imbalance is a BJP-created disaster. Good to know at least one BJP minister is waking up to the reality, unquote. Gadkari, remember, had said, and I quote, if vaccine demand is more than the supply, it creates a problem. Instead of one, let 10 more companies be given out licenses for vaccine manufacturing, unquote.
मेरे मनसुख भाई से भी अनुरोध है, आप सबसे है कि यहाँ जब किसी बात की डिमांड ज़्यादा होती है और सप्लाई कम होता है तो प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट होता है। तो ये वैक्सीन वाली कंपनी एक के बजाय 10 लोगों को लाइसेंस दे और रॉयल्टी भी ले, कोई सेवाभावी करके ना करे। और जैसे मैंने ये दवाइयाँ न होने वाली तैयार कर ली तो वैक्सीन का प्रोडक्शन अगर 10 जगह खुल जाएगा, जैसे हापकिन को इम्पोर्टेंस मिला है, तो मनसुख भाई मेरा अनुरोध है कि आप हर राज्य में 2-2, 3-3 लेबोरेटरी ऑलरेडी है। मेरी जानकारी है कि उनकी क्षमता भी है और उनके पास इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर भी है। फार्मूला देकर इनका उनके साथ कोऑर्डिनेशन करके अगर ये संख्या बढ़ाएंगे तो पहले उनको कहिए देश में दीजिए, बाद में ज़्यादा होगा तो एक्सपोर्ट करिए। तो मुझे लगता है ये तुरंत 15 दिन 20 दिन में हो सकता है। तो थोड़ा ये तो मेरे अंदर का विषय नहीं है, आप अनायास से दिल्ली में है, तो ये जो वैक्सीन का प्रॉब्लम है अगर इसमें सुलझाने में अगर आपको उचित लगे तो इसका जरूर विचार करिए।
Indian National Congress and the entire opposition is happy that one BJP minister has woken up to the reality of vaccine shortage. That one BJP minister is seeing the reality, the requirement of ramping up vaccination. But the moot question is, when will the BJP system wake up to the reality of vaccine shortage? How many more Indians have to die to wake up the system, to wake up the BJP Kumkaran Sarkar to the reality that India needs more vaccinations? The BJP government must respond why in the past 1 month vaccination rate has dipped by 50%.
Anand Patel is now joining us for the very latest. Anand, outside of this politicking aside and what the BJP says versus what the Congress says, the point is that India is facing a vaccine crisis. What Gadkari says about giving more licenses out to vaccine manufacturers makes absolute sense because the shortage of supply can be met with. What steps is the centre now taking to make this happen?
Well, Chaiti, we all know that there are only 2 manufacturers in the country at the moment, Serum Institute and Bharat Biotech, and both of these have a very limited production capacity, though the government has, given more funds to them to ramp up their production capacity. And also, Sputnik 5 from Russia has been imported, which Dr. Reddy will be manufacturing here in India in its production facilities. And also, after this, the government has also given licenses, 3 licenses under compulsory licensing to Hapkins Institute, 1 more institute in Hyderabad and 1 institute in Bulandshahr. All these 3 are PSUs. After this, the government of India has also accorded licenses to 12 more such production units, which will be ramping up the vaccine production. So the government has now, it looks like, has woken up to this reality that Serum Institute and Bharat Biotech will not be able to produce enough to vaccinate a large population like India. This, along with the government, is also trying to rope in Pfizer, Moderna, Johnson & Johnson, and it is likely that by the end of this month, some or the other kind of understanding will be reached with these manufacturers so that initially they can be imported and also later on they can be manufactured here in India.
Absolutely. Anand, thanks for joining us with the very latest details. We're slipping to a break. When we return, double vaccinated Americans shut off their masks.